Welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to embed an Excel file into a Word document. First, go to your Insert tab, then to Object, and then you want to do Create from File, and in most cases, you want to display that as an icon so the reader is seeing the icon and they can actually click on it. And you can also create a link to that file. Now, if you select this option, you have to make sure that the file is in a location that the user can access. So once you made your selections, you click OK, and there is the file. So if the user were to open this Word doc, they can actually click on the file to access the Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We appreciate your support. Link to our Cash App is below.